Morning fellows, Ben back again on a Scram 411. A close friend of mine has a Scram 411 and today we just installed a Aoocci or OC C3 Pro on this. The C3 comes with all the goodies except the cameras. That's about it. One wire, I love that. One wire can be hardwired to the battery and the ignition circuit, or just leave it with a USB charger. Two options, hardwiring and with the USB. So love that, love the ease with which I got this installed. A piece of cake. Another thing that I like about this is surprisingly cheap for what it is. It is a very, very high quality screen. The resolution part of it. The build, yes, it is made to a price, so I can definitely feel that this is a little cheap to touch. Unlike the BX that I have, a little economic feeling, but the screen resolution is spot on. With all the latest mobile phones, it's that sharp and that clear. And the OS is also super quick and easy. Carplay, Android Auto, name it, all the frills. This thing has it. Tire pressure monitoring system, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and what else? Navigation. Does not really have an inbuilt GPS, so tracking is not going to happen. This relies on your phone. But again, just like that, it connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then sometimes just keeps running on its own. So we go back to home, and then so the tire pressure monitoring system shows up on screen. It's 11 psi on the front. The fellow hasn't taken the bike out in a long time, so it's 11 psi in the front, 28 on the rear. It's a very simple, straightforward main screen. CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, volume up and down, brightness up and down. So that's full brightness. That would be very low. That'll be full brightness. I can see everything super clear, no problems. Go to settings, you have language, you have tire pressure monitoring settings, you have your phone audio and blah blah blah. Then you can straight away go to the CarPlay business. Oh my god, that was close. Too close for comfort. Anyway, so that's the CarPlay home screen with all my apps, and straight away go to navigation, type let's just say just watch how quick this is. Mayajal multiplex, start. It's as quick as any phone, fellas. It's just seamless, and for the price it's unbelievable. This is mounted on a Scram. You need a GPS bracket, but otherwise any device for that, any motorcycle for that matter, you'll have to get yourself a GPS bracket. No complaining there, just saying. That's a GPS bracket on which this is mounted. This sits here, super nice and easy and comfortable, straight in the line of sight, not a problem. Well, this is a machine which does not have a raised front end, so you can't really complain. It's more of a street motorcycle. So that was that. A quick, easy peasy installation. That's the power wire. The negative lead goes to the negative of the battery. The positive goes to any of your ignition circuit. So I've plugged into my OBD sensor ignition circuit, and that's that. As simple as that. Straightforward, super easy to navigate, super easy to install. Unbelievably quick and easy to install, and the thing works seamlessly. I love the Scram, man. The Scram is just a simple, easy machine compared to the Himalayan, and because of the less weight, this thing just flies. Easy 100. Can maintain 100 all day long. You wouldn't even know it. And the acceleration is super quick compared to the Himalayan. So much more faster because of the less weight. It accelerates to 100 a lot more quicker than the Himalayan. I believe you can easily be looking at 1.5 seconds to the Himalayan because of lesser weight and a shorter front wheel. So that was that. That's the new C3 Pro, or the C3 Plus, I guess. from Aoocci, and a quick, superb installation job. If this helped, so that was that, fellas. If this helped in any which way, make up your minds to go get something like this, please do, because this is a super duper easy screen to live with. Exit, watch, that's about it. Just touch and it comes back to the main screen. Go back, home, it's just seamless and quick. The only downside to this is this does not have an inbuilt battery. So if I were to do this, watch, fellas. Wow, there you go. There's nothing. It doesn't retain charge for even a second. So this has to be constantly running. You can only kill the engine. You can't turn off the key because it has to come back. But coming back process is just instant. So nothing much to complain. It connects based on the Wi-Fi and the network of the phone. So if the phone has no network, which is the case here, it takes some time. So yeah, so I really can't blame Google Map. Yeah, if you have very good internet connection, then this comes up like that. So if you guys can see, my 4G is just 2 bars, and then that is the reason for the delay. Well, if this helped in any which way, it helped. That's all there is to it. Ben Phillip 28. Ben Phillip 28 is a discount code you can use to get 28% off. Then there is Ben Phillip 20, which has a time limit. I don't know exactly. I'll mention in the video. Then there is Ben Phillip 25, which again has a time limit. A forever thing is a Ben Phillip 22. You guys can use my code Ben Phillip 22 for any time of the year. As far as 25 and 28 go, there is a time limit to it. I'll mention that in the video. So if 28 applies now, you can go ahead and apply. I get a small commission from this deal if you were to buy, and with which I can fill up my tanks and go on a small short ride. That was that. So if this helped, it helped. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.